Welcome back to another unexpectedly random product review. Hello, everyone. We are picking up I think it's a new product, but I'm not entirely sure. The one of them says it's new on the box, but and actually looking at these, there is a good possibility that we've already looked at these before. Haven't checked that out. So if you're seeing this review, it may be a review. Either way, we're gonna give them a try. They are Nature Valley, and I thought I was gonna hold these up and make it work, but here we go. Try it this way. You can tell how prepared I was. Okay, they are Nature Valley. Um, Nature Valley muffin bars. We have chocolate chip, we have lemon poppy seed, we have apple cinnamon, and we have blueberry. I'm most looking forward to the apple cinnamon and the lemon poppy seed. So we're going to start with the other two. I think I don't know. I'm torn because blueberry muffins are very good. Even though I'm not a huge blueberry fan, I do kind of have a sweet tooth, so to speak, for a blueberry muffin. it smells like the blueberry muffin tops cereal or the blueberry toasters, I guess, since they've renamed them. So it's very soft. It's a very moist looking or yeah. How many times can I say moist? Um, it's a very soft bar. There's no crunch. There's no it's very soft, which is good. It's more muffiny that way. It does appear to have actual like whole blueberries. Let's see if it'll focus on that. There we go. The fragrance is very strong, which to me is a good thing, hopefully. Sometimes things smell a lot more flavorful than they taste, but I have high hopes for this one. Mm. Okay. It's sweet, but not overwhelmingly sweet. There is because it has like a rock sugar. I don't know if you saw that on the close up. Let me see if I can get this in here. It does have like a rock sugar, like a crystalline sugar on it, which gives it a little bit of a graininess, like it'll crunch almost. But the flavor is actually really good. It does have a very muffiny flavor, if that's a flavor. The blueberry comes through, but it's not overwhelming. And I don't notice the seeds from the blueberry, which is something, and that may be part of the sugar masking as well. One of my dislikes about blueberries is the seeds. Blueberries, raspberries have it some too. Blackberries as well. Blueberries are a little bit different, but the seed in it's a little unpleasant, I guess, for me. Flavor wise, it's very good. I'm it's like you ripped the top off of a muffin and just jammed it in your mouth. I'm quite impressed. There are 5 of these per box. Let me grab one of these boxes, and I think they were on sale. There we are. I think they were on sale when I got them, but it ended up being roughly $5 or $6 for the box. So it's kind of expensive for the volume that you get, but so far the flavor is actually really good on it. And that's starting with the one that I thought was going to be the least delicious. So next we're going to jump into the chocolate chip. Can we get an autofocus, please? No? Okay. Camera, you're fired. I'm just joking. You can hang around for a while. It smells chocolatey. The they are a little crumbly, I guess. They're not they're not dry, but they're not very cohesive. Like it doesn't take much force for them to start trying to fall apart. This one looks like a oblong shaped chocolate chip cookie. It's actually quite beautiful. Thank you. You're rehired again, camera. You did a good job. Okay. It looks very nice. It smells very nice. I wonder if it's going to be semi-sweet chocolate chips or if it's going to be... They are, in fact, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Right there on the ingredients list. So that may offset some of the overall sweetness of it. it's like it's like a super fluffy chocolate chip cookie. The semi-sweet chips are wonderful in it. They're not bitter. They're not really a standout. The flavor of the chocolate is very much there. Oh wow. That is that is delightful. Oh, I'm very happy with that. Um. Oh, it's so good. It is that is so good. I really don't know how to describe it other than it tastes like the texture and the flavor. It doesn't have the heat, of course, but like when you eat a cookie that's almost basically come right out of the oven, a chocolate chip cookie. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's tasty, it's delicious, it's chocolatey, and the semi-sweet chips are not bitter at all. Very, very impressed with that. I am getting more and more excited as we go through these for these last two, the lemon poppy seed and the apple cinnamon. I was gonna go with the lemon poppy seed last, but I think I want to go with the apple cinnamon last. That's kind of my go-to flavor on things. If I mean herbal tea, I'm going apple cinnamon. Cinnamon applesauce. It's a very prominent flavor in my life. It's so weird. Um, so lemon poppy seed is next. I do enjoy a nice lemon poppy seed muffin every now and again, or some lemon poppy seed cake. It's always a nice touch. Looks like it's got good distribution of poppy seeds, and oh, this smells amazing. It smells like lemon curd, and that's with a C, just in case you misheard my pronunciation. It smells delightful. I wish you guys could smell it. It's wonderful. Autofocus, please. There you are. Look at that beautiful lemon poppy seed shot. That is the money shot right there. It's almost even like a lemon bar smell. Fragrance. Fragrance is the more positive way of referencing that. I, I, I'm almost giddy with anticipation. I'm already sold on these. I was a little concerned because of the price on them. It's a little expensive for a 1.25 ounce bar being over $1 a piece or at $1 a piece. It feels expensive at least. Uh, but so far, flavor wise, they've been worth it. They've absolutely been worth it. Hmm. Hmm. Nail on the head. Absolutely perfect lemon poppy seed muffin flavor. It quite literally tastes like they poured the muffin batter into a shape, this oval sort of shape, and just baked it. It's fluffy. It is kind of cakey. Um, gets stuck in your teeth to a degree, but that is exactly the texture of a muffin, especially the lemon poppy seed muffins. They're always very moist if you get a good one. I'll clarify, I guess, on that one. Oh wow! And the lemony taste, it just lingers. It just yep. That's wow. These are the kind of reviews I truly enjoy. The ones where they don't end up very good, they're not bad. The review itself, but these are far superior. Oh my! How wonderful is this one going to be? The apple cinnamon. It's going to be so great. It's so great. It smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like an apple cinnamon scone. I don't think I've had them since I was in college. The cafeteria made these wonderful apple cinnamon scones. I think they were apple cinnamon scones. They might have just been cinnamon scones, but they were phenomenal. Okay, got me real excited here. So this one's got more of a, I don't know, I want to say balanced coloring, but they kind of all look the same. The apples chunks look like they've maybe been steeped in the cinnamon. There we go. Another money shot there. Look at that chunk of apple right there. It smells wonderful. It's I can already say you should definitely try these. They are delightful. This one's a little cakier. Oh wow. The apples are like an explosion of flavor. And that's 100% real fruit used in them. I would I would venture to almost guarantee it. Yep, dehydrate or dried apples. That's wonderful too. It is a little more cakey than the rest, so it's kind of almost forms like a concrete sort of texture. Not like you're eating concrete. Don't eat concrete, but it's a lot denser texture that it forms. Um, but the flavor is wonderful. It's definitely cinnamony. Those apples, it's like little bursts of flavor, almost like a fruit gushers, but with an apple cinnamon muffin. Oh, it's so beautiful. Those are those are wonderful. So that is the review of the Nature Valley soft baked muffin bars. Definitely try them. They are wonderful. Don't miss out on something this delicious. Seriously. So that is all I have for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you try them in the comments what you think. Um, they go really well with a small glass of milk, just to balance out that kind of density that they result in. Oh, I'm super stoked about them. And I have four more of each bar. All the flavors were absolutely wonderful. Um, I don't know that I have a favorite. The chocolate chip one was really good. I'm not gonna raise any of them above each other, although I did like the explosion of apple cinnamony deliciousness out of the apple cinnamon one. Um, but they're all very good. So hope you guys enjoyed. That's gonna do it for this review, and we will see you in the next one. Until then, stay random. This has been another unexpectedly random product review.